car has a problem. Customer says battery broken. Here is the battery. Here the battery. Now check. Test. Not okay. Very low, but not broken. Not broken battery. Battery good, but low voltage. Connect. Now start the car. Look, not enough voltage here. Battery is not getting loaded. Generator may not be good. Not enough. Not working. Not good. Broken. Not good here. Not okay. Now engine running. Alternator. Generator. Now check ampere. Here. Not good. Not enough. Now check duty. Seems okay. Loosen. Loose. Safety first. Now coming out. I hate you! You! Wow! Good! Oh, good. Very good. Plug the battery back again. Start the car. And now check the battery. Plug. Check this out. Generator working again. Very good. Perfect. Good job.